Now I'm going to talk about today's superstar, our special and important LifeSmart product series, the DEFED Alarm Kit. Break-ins and burglaries are the most worrisome type of property and violent crime worldwide. According to the newest FBI statistics, a burglary strikes every 30 seconds in the US. The average loss from a burglary is $3,000. And in addition to their monetary cost, burglaries also take a big emotional toll. According to a survey of people who have experienced a burglary, 67% said their emotional and mental health was affected, and 63% had trouble sleeping afterwards. But despite a high level of concern, only 25% of Americans have installed home security systems to protect their property and loved ones, while others are still seeking suitable products to deter burglars. While most wireless alarm products have common disadvantages like fickle, dumb, block, fixed, and amateur. Fickle means the alarm devices cannot work once the power is cut, and some have unstable signal and connecting problems. Dumb can be seen in unsmart test methods, especially in an empty new house that a network wire has not reached. And worse, most alarm systems support only one protocol and block others, so other devices of other protocols cannot be used anymore. And most alarm systems are generally hard to install, especially after a house has been decorated. Amateur means some alarm devices can be easily removed by attackers, which is a failure of the security alarm kit. And last but not least, some alarm kits are not good looking and hard to suit a modern home. Based on these circumstances, our R&D team, whose technical background is in smart homes, communication technology, and professional security systems, and our design team that has won a wide variety of international design awards, were able to set out with great confidence to develop the DEFED alarm kit. I believe after this special event, DEFED will become your #1 choice in security alarm kits. Now, I would like to present our latest product launch, DEFED. The DEFED series is designed to be an easy and smart wireless alarm system. Today, we will start with the entry-level kit. It contains a smart station, we usually call it the hub or gateway, a door window sensor, a motion sensor, and an indoor siren and fog key. As we know, for alarm systems, stability is the most important aspect of performance. Alarm signals must never be dropped. For this, our extraordinary R&D team, most of them come from UT-STARCOM, developed COSS, a carrier transmission level-based wireless communication protocol. COSS has been used in wireless smart home industry for over 10 years. Wireless communication under COSS has up to 800 meters transmission range, with instantaneous operating power as low as 0.01 milliwatts, comparable to less than 1,000th of the radiation emitted by mobile phones. AES encryption provides stability and data security, with 16-byte random code signature for transmission and receiver signals, preventing recording and replay attacks, and independent keys and codes for every unit, preventing fainting attacks. COSS is therefore also suitable for enterprise applications, including in industries with extremely high security requirements. A two-way communication mechanism ensures the alarm signal is never lost. When there is a door opening motion, the sensor sends a signal to the smart station. In case of signal interception, this won't be received. But a few seconds later, the sensor will send the alarm event again and won't stop until the smart station sends a feedback signal in return. Only after the sensor receives the feedback signal will the report close.